Buzz lets you create your own course-specific objectives or import objectives using standards that have been added at the domain level. Once imported or created, you can align these standards with activities to specify course objectives and support competency-based learning models. Once in the editor, you may need to expand the Objectives panel on the left-hand side. Here, you click Edit Objectives, and you have two options. You can import standards, or you can add an individual objective. If you want to add an objective manually, it would need to be very course-specific. To add an objective, click Manually Add Objective. Give the number and the description, and click Done. That will create it manually. You can also import standards, which is the suggested option, and your organization will choose which standards you see from the drop-down. You then can choose the various grades that you're teaching and the subjects. You can see that will change based on your selections. It will give you the highest level standard, where you can drill down into the multiple standards. You can choose one standard or the set of standards. When you're ready, click Import Standards. Those will then import for you. Click Save, and they will now be added to your course. Buzz will calculate how many activities each objective is aligned to for non-gradable and gradable activities. As we build our course, we can align content with these objectives. If I want to align content to an objective, I find the objective and I drag and drop it onto the activity or folder. This will now show the connection to the activity, and it will start to populate the non-gradable or gradable numbers here. If I want to remove an objective, I simply click the X. Objectives are something you can add at the beginning or the end of your development process. As a student, they can go to the Grades area, and under the Objective Mastery tab, they can view how they are progressing for each objective that you have aligned in the course. If there's an arrow, I would be able to see the activities that are aligned to that course. As a teacher, I can go into my courses where mastery is being tracked, and in the gradebook, I could choose the Mastery tab to see how students are progressing for each objective. I could drill down into each objective to see how each student's progressing, as well as one step further, how that student is progressing on every objective. This makes aligning your course objectives and viewing the data to make informed decisions easy.